Now, how can you get your phone video through the iCloud or from your iCloud on your PC or any kind of other computer? So, a lot of people don't realize this, but it doesn't really matter which device you are using as long as it's a tablet, phone, computer of any kind of operating system. You can use the web browser available there and access your iCloud account on essentially any platform. So it doesn't matter if you have a Windows PC or a Android phone, you can open up Google Chrome or some other web browser and look up iCloud.com. There you can click on this black button saying sign in and of course use the Apple ID and your password to get inside your account. It is possible that some additional authentication might be required. For example, you'll need to type in a code from your phone, or perhaps you will get a SMS verification code. Regardless, once you get inside, you can browse the photos and even some other iCloud related data. But speaking of photos, you can start browsing them and also select the ones which you want and download, literally to save them to your local storage, no matter if you have an Android or Windows PC. It just works the same. So this is what makes it very useful. Obviously, iCloud is still designed for Apple devices, so it is gonna work the best on those, but you can, to a degree, access your data even on a different operating systems and different platforms. So this is just a quick explanation and guide on how it works. I have a lot of different tutorials about iCloud and all of these kind of storage related issues which people have. So go ahead and check out the videos on this channel and most definitely subscribe for more guides and videos like this one. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you later.